Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video in our channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding the exam details regarding the Cognizant aptitude assessment. So many people already who gave their English assessment, they get this aptitude assessment mail. So we are going to discuss regarding them. So what is they have asked me in the previous video which I have posted that what should they prepare, how should they prepare regarding this exam and all. So make a detailed video regarding that, so that's why this video is regarding to that only. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button and join our telegram group from the description box link. Also, after subscribing, click on the bell icon so that you do not miss this type of any update. Also, we post different hiring updates, exam pattern, exam details, onboarding update every day. So make sure to follow our channel. So let's discuss about the things regarding Cognizant aptitude assessment. So this time this aptitude assessment is the second round. So if you clear this aptitude assessment, you are directly going to get the interview mail. Okay, so most of the people who gave the previous round are going to give this aptitude assessment as well. Almost more than 80% students get this same link, and it is going to happen on 22nd. So what is the things you need to know before aptitude assessment? So first thing is that there is no negative marking and questions level are moderate to easy. So solving the questions won't be a problem, but time consuming questions you have to avoid. Okay, that is the main thing, because time is going to be the constant here. Okay, you are going to get hardly 1.5 to 2 minutes for each questions. Okay, so you have to solve it within that time frame. So some questions will be there that will be directly you will be feeling that it is easy, but it is easy, you will be able to solve it, but it will consume more time. So these questions are trap questions that they give you so that you waste your time on that questions. Okay, so you can travel between questions from here, like if you think these questions is taking much time, you can leave that and go for the next questions, and later if after finishing everything you can come back. So I will suggest to do that if you think that this question, some questions is taking much more time. So avoid that for that particular time, and at the end after computing whatever questions are remaining that you cannot solve, if you feel that which one might be the closest to the answers, mark that, because there is going to be no negative marking. Now let's discuss about the detailed syllabus or detailed things which you should prepare. So this is the detailed syllabus that majority previous year questions have come from these things, and there are generally three sections. First one is quant, that is basically based on mathematics, and there will be questions regarding LCM, HCF, divisibility. So there will be not direct questions like what is the LCM of this numbers. Okay, there will be questions based where you have to calculate HCMs and HCF somewhere in between. Okay, so there might be questions regarding working like ABC, 3% working, 2 left the work in between, like that. Okay, so LCM, HCF, divisibility, average, algebra, indices, these things will be there. Okay, and profit loss, simple interest, compound interest, time speed distance. In time speed distance you can also include like trains, platforms, pole, this type of questions. And also one more most famous and important type is boat and stream. Okay, and time and work, which I have gave example already, like the 2 persons or 3 persons working, one can finish in this many days, when will the work finish, like that. Percentage and mensuration. So these are the things which you have to prepare very well. Okay, and there might be very few questions, one or two hardly, from these permutations and probability. Okay, because this is a bit tougher than the other things, so there will be very less questions from these also. Okay, so if you are not even preparing this permutation, combination, probability, make sure to prepare everything which I have mentioned earlier. Okay, you can go and check this type of questions from the Google or whatever. You can just search the topic name and sample questions like that, and you will be able to get some sample questions and solve those. Next is reasoning. In the reasoning part, there will be basically logical reasoning and critical reasoning, both are mixed. So in reasoning I'm going to not going to give I'm going to give you the particular topic names which you need to prepare very well. First will be blood relations, next will be directions, next is syllogism, next is pattern recognition, statement conclusion, seating arrangements, data sufficiency, word sequence, odd one out. All of these are very important. Okay, so in reasoning all of these are very important, especially those questions like there is some word given, if this word meaning this, and what will happen for this word, like that. Okay, like suppose there is some example, if a b c d equals to x w x y z, then p QR is equals to what? These type of some questions might be there, so prepare for those. Okay, and also prepare for odd one out, like there will be three four topic names will be given. So which one you think is odd? Word sequence, like some words might be given there, like which I have given. So suppose a word is given ABC, FGH, KLM, then what will be the next word, like that. Okay, these type of questions might be there. And blood relation you already know. Syllogism also you should just search, just give it a search. If not Google, you can get many different questions from syllogism in the YouTube as well. If you're not getting any questions for any particular topic, you can comment down. I'll try to give some questions, sample questions of that particular topic. Okay, so go and prepare for these two parts, and most of the questions will be from quants and reasoning. Okay, compared to this verbal section questions will be less, few questions will be less from the verbal sections, but this is also going to be a very scoring part, because there it will take less time and it will give you good marks if you are good in English. Make sure to prepare well for voice change, narration change. There are few questions from this. Okay, vocabulary, if you have a good vocabulary, then there is like in 2 days you cannot increase your vocabulary by huge. Okay, so some questions will be there from synonym and antonym, three at least two, 3 or 4, like that. Okay, so that vocabulary questions will not be very tough, it will be intermediate level. So at least if there are 3 4 coming, you will be at least do 1 2. Okay, and error detection will be there, like some question some sentence will be there, and you have to detect which of these sentence is wrong or have a error, or might be one sentence is there that is divided into 3 4 parts. You have to check which part is containing the error. Okay, sentence improvement, like suppose a sentence is given, you have to improve that particular bold part of the sentence, how you with which part you will replace it, with which option you should replace it to improve that, like that. There might be questions. Subject verb agreement, article preposition, voice change, sentence, this will be coming. Word selection, phrase improvement, and paragraph jumble, that is that there might be some 3 4 lines given, and jumble you have to rearrange them, like that. Okay, so prepare for these 3 parts. Search every topic name, then sample questions or IT aptitude questions from SI and CI. You can like that, or aptitude questions based on simple interest and computer interest, or aptitude question based on direction, aptitude question based on syllogism. Just search like that in YouTube and Google. Prepare for every portion at least 10 questions. Okay, you will get to have, you will have to get the idea about that. And after that, if you have any query of any particular topic, you can just comment, or I'll try to make a video regarding that. So that's it. After preparing, go and prepare for it.